And what's up, guys? And we're gonna be playing this game as Granny and chapter. Wonder what it is. Chapter 2. But guys, we're gonna do chapter. We're gonna do it with Granny. We're gonna add Granny to the game in easy mode. So if you guys want me to escape, I escaped from a helicopter before, so I should do that. So whatever. I'm just gonna choose. So let's get started. What's up, chat? And we're in this game called we're adding Granny in. Wow. Wow, get out, Josiah. I'm trying to scream. I'm trying to scream and you're making dumb videos on YouTube. Sorry about that, chat. Okay. I got my soda in here. Okay. Day 1. This will be easy. Grandpa cannot hear. It's not that bad. But guys, chapter 2 is easy. Oh wait, chat, I forgot. It's dark mode. I'm so dumb. I put dark mode. Okay, chat. Well, here goes. Day 1, whatever. Day 1. Shut up. Okay, we're back. This better not be dark mode. As you see, my phone says a lot of percent. Wait, what is... Oh, my phone is recording. Okay, that's it. Bro, stop. Thank you, it's not. Okay. As I always do. Door lock. No one needs that. That doesn't work on anything. It doesn't even work on it. I don't know what that is for, but I'm not using it. A door lock. I just see Granny can hear, so she's good. Come on, both of y'all. Wait. Oh, shoot, Granny? Oh, Granny came. Grandpa? 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 Grandpa, you coming? Okay. You down there? Shut up, Granny. No one wants to play with you. We ain't even play hide and seek. I ain't playing hide and seek with you. I don't want to play. Guys, we have to find bear traps. Let's distract Granny for a moment. Let's just distract her. Let's just distract her for a moment. Let's distract her. Okay, good. Grandpa's up there. That should be good. Over here? No. There's nothing here. Granny's over there. That would be okay. But who was playing the music? Oh, who? Grandpa. Grandpa. Oh, she's in the camera mood. No. Sure, he's gonna watch me. He's gonna watch me. There's the camera gun. Grandpa, you better not call me any grandmas. You better not record me playing Granny. You don't see me, right? Yeah, please don't see me. Grandpa. Oh! There you are. Shut up. No one cares about you. Hey, I didn't even unlock the door. That was easy. All I need to do is taser her and then... Granny! Come on! Come on. Yes! Thank you. Okay, chat, what do we need? We shot both of them. We're good. Now what? Duct tape. Yes, we need that. We need that. This is what we need for the upstairs. Let's put that up there. In case. Get that key. Let's just put this here in case. Chat, what is in here? Smells something weird. Wires. I think we need that. But no, I don't think so. You don't need that. Where is my taser gun? My taser gun, where is it? I kind of like throwed it there. There it is. What's in here? And what's in here? This should be... No, we ain't using that. Chat, I always seen this for a couple times. I keep seeing the video. You guys remember anything? Shit. You look disgusting. What are you looking at, dummy? Guys, we also need photos. We need the photos so that we can go upstairs to the helicopter. We need photos. Don't steering. I don't care about that. Fuel, please. We need fuel for the helicopter. We need fuel. Oh, there it is. Okay, just stay up here. Go there. You'll get my taser gun. That was good. It was good that they had it. Chat. Oh, chat. Do you know what we also need? We need the helicopter book, the helicopter manual, so we can know how to use the helicopter, so you can control it. Chat. I seen that if you use it without the helicopter, you can. It can actually you can fall and damage the helicopter, and you won't be able to ride it. And then you have to go on something else. Granny! Wait, who did this? Grandpa. I knew it was you. His house. Ah! Oh, shoot. That was... What? I'm streaming! Chat, that was scary, right? Poppy, I'm streaming. You're gonna mess up my video. Sorry, chat. Chat, I did not see that. Bro, Granny just appeared. You saw that? Poppy, I'm not screaming because I have an attitude. I'm just screaming. I just screamed because I got jump scared for the video. Okay, chat. Come on, Granny, you stupid. Who's that? Grandpa! Where's Granny? She can hear everything in the house. Granny? I'm going up. Come on, Granny. Oh, shoot. Go. Granny. Mama. Help me. Mama. Help me. Grandma. Stop acting like that. That's scary. Granny. Go. Go away. Go away. I'm gonna taser you. Chat, we need to taser them. But I taser him. How did I die? But I'm streaming. You're gonna mess up my video.
Drop it.
What? Oh. Sorry that, chat. That was dumb, right, guys? I accidentally got killed from walking on them. Okay, chat. We need to try hard. I'm locking in. Okay. Please don't be jump scared. Is it there? It should be an object. Grandpa, you're not up there, right? Granny, you better not be there. Stone. Okay, good. Teacher. Okay. Granny. Grandpa. Hello. Hello. Getting me on the shoulder. Seriously. Get it. I don't care. Granny, get the frick out of here. I can get it from your belly button. So you get for killing me. Haha. So you get. Get your butthole down there. Oh, I go collect some things. I don't need the bow key. Who do you think I am? Who do you think I am? A captain? I don't need no bow key. What do they think that? Why they're hiding a bow key? What am I, a captain? I ain't no captain. I'm trying to escape from that stupid granny, stupid old lady that kidnapped me. And now I'm trying to use the helicopter, bring it home so I can play with it. And I can break, I can, chat, imagine just breaking the door with a shotgun. That's right, die, dummy. Stung in. What do they have? What do they have? Crowbar, yes. Crowbar, yes, right. Cry like a baby. Just trying to team up with Granny. Right, Team Granny, you're Team mine. You're my team. Come on, you wanna be my team? Crowbar. Shut up! The glass fuel! Chat, I did not see that. Remember that time we went to the piano making noise? I could have saw that. Granny, you better not be there. I can hear you. I think I hear your footsteps. You better not be alive or I'm gonna kill you. Where are you? Oh, there's the vent. No one here. Okay, we're okay. We're all okay. Poopy's okay. My poop deck is okay. Good. Dummy. Chat. Guys, I heard that. I heard that. I heard that. I heard it. I just heard that. And I hear it again. I hear it again. Chat. She gotta be up there. Ready? I hear you. I think that's Grandpa. Get out here, dummy. Who are you shaking at me? You like me? A security key, I just killed you. What about the door was open? Chat, that was the dumbest thing I would do. Shouting him while the door's open. We gotta shoot Grandpa, that's what we need to shoot. We haven't shoot him yet. Grandpa, I want to shoot your butthole. Stop going into the bathroom and pooping. Grandpa, you wanna poop with me? Where are you? Where are you? I want to poop with you. Grandpa's not here. Oh crap. I hear something. Grandpa. Headshot, dummy. Bah. That's right, fall on the table. Oh, fall. Wait. Just leave that there. I feel like getting a crowbar. Guys, why can't we have 2 items? That would be okay. This doesn't let us for no reason. For some reason, it switches. Guys, we have 2 hands. Why are we grabbing 1 item at a time if we have 2 hands? And even though it's not dark, you don't need a flashlight. Chat, we need this. Okay, let's bring this up. Let's bring all this up. Security key. Darn it. No. Let's bring all the photos. Chat, how about we focus on the photos and then we go up? Where's the glass fuel? We need the glass fuel. Let's bring this. Taser gun. Guys, if you see the bottom, it's like flash. Flash sign. I have the flash sign. It landed. Guys, imagine having a pad in a VR. Remember that screaming annoying kid like in VR talking to Grandpa? And he also keeps Brr. Chat, we need a Loki. Yeah. Chat. That was the dumbest thing. Guys, we're almost in last day. Chat, I'm serious. I can literally escape. Yeah, what is that on my face? What are all those on my face? Ah, blood everywhere. Ew, that's disgusting and gross. Ew. Ew. That sucks. I'm supposed to shoot Granny. I'm the dumbest of all. Am I so dumb? Am I so dumb? What am I dumb? I need the taser gun. I need the taser gun. Where is it? I forgot. Go away. I hate you. You're disgusting. It's on the piano. It's on the piano. Piano. Wrap up. Where are you? Where are you? Stupid. Guys, don't forget about the key. We need to get Granny fast before he disappears. That was so close, Chad. Chad, that was so close. Come on, give me it. Give me the security key. Yeah. I'm gonna give you a kiss before you go away. Come on. Before you go away, I want to give you a kiss too. I want to give you a kiss. Come on. I need to drop items. Guys, imagine throwing items on it. There we go. What's in here? There's nothing here. Okay, chat. Let's bring all this. We need the crowbar. That's what we need. We already have the crowbar. Don't worry about that. I wish Granny and Grandpa weren't here. I wish they weren't here. Yeah, that would be easy. We need to escape. We got one more day left. Open. What is? Are you serious, chat? After I tried so hard getting this helicopter, and all I got was just the padlock key. Are you serious right now? Are you serious? I don't need no door handle. I'm not escaping from the door or the safe. Open. Go. Finish photo. What the heck? Chat, was I hacking? Chat, what was that? I was like hacking. Did you saw that? It was the taser gun. That's what we need. What we need is the taser gun. I don't know what happened to it. Bro, where is my taser gun? There it is. Key. We need the key. So you can check his safe and steal his money and get out of it. Why is the camera on? Just the cap. Are you serious, chat? What I just got? Run the safe key. After I was so scared. And I died too many days. And all I got is this stupid stuff. Are you serious, chat? Bro. Chat. What was that? Chat. Oh my, I'm pausing. Okay, chat. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Grandpa, what is that up there? Is that the spark plug and the... Don't worry, chat. The taser gun's over there. Okay, I guess I'm fine. You'll regret that. Granny, you will regret that. You're going to regret that. Grandma, you're gonna regret that. You're gonna regret that. Why do those close? Grandma, you'll regret that. Granny? Granny? Anyone? I heard a door. Who's that? I think that was the worst idea, chat. Grandma, go away! Dummy! Get out of here. Will she like kiss me too much? Chat. What do we need? Let's go get the crowbar down there. We got to get the crowbar. Leave that there in case. Let's go get the crowbar. We got the spark plug, stupid spark plug. I got the stupid padlock key. And we gotta see what's over there. Whoa, where's the crowbar? What happened to the crowbar? What happened? There it is. Dummy. I'm not going in that bathroom. I can already. What's in here? Oh yeah. We need the helicopter manual. I tried so hard in this game and I can't find it. Ah. What's in here? Please. Please be the helicopter key. Yes. We need this for the helicopter to access the. We need this to access. And good news, guys. And we can also shoot Nosferatu. And you know what else, chat? We can shoot Grandpa and Granny, and it adds 30 minutes. It adds 30 minutes. This will be easy, chat. This even hurts a lot. They're gonna be scared. And they're gonna be crying like a baby. I don't need that taser gun. Silly, what do you think I am? A baby? Granny? Are you here? No one here. Oh well. Grandma is there. Drop that. Come on. Chat, if we die on this, we're totally cooked. Chat. We need the helicopter key. Oh, chat, I forgot. There's a hammer's there. What's in here? Are you serious? They gave me nothing. What's in here? Helicopter manual, let's go! We got the helicopter manual! We'll check on Granny and Grandpa. Granny and Grandpa? Are you here? No one's here. Take these photos. Fire's there. Granny? Oh shoot! Here's Grandpa. Get out of here, dummy. Yeah, refill some bullets. Got some ammo in case they come on. Chat, that was good. That was good. We just killed them before they. Now we have 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So come on, chat. We need to hurry up. We need one more photo. And once we get one more photo, the only thing we will need is that we need is a helicopter key, and we'll finish. Please. Stay there. I hope my legs don't hurt before I get down. Come on, I need these items. Why can't I hold two? You can hold 2 papers in one hand. Are you serious? I am holding one. Are you serious? Guys, one more item and we made it. Okay. Oh, here, right? Stupid. I think we got 1 minute and 46 seconds. Good. Good. Now the flyers. And then we don't. Ah! Okay, let's go. Damn, get out of here. Get out. Did I kill him? I killed him. Let's go. We got the helicopter key. We need one more. Shoot. Need this. Yeah, there's a photo around here. I swear I'm gonna be happy because we can escape. If you get one more photo, you don't have to go down. It will be easy. But chat, how did Grandpa and Granny got up if they can't go up right now? They can't go up. Gasoline? All my stuff is going to be there. And some of the items are used. Let's bring our shotgun so that we can shoot them. Granny, are you here? Hi, Granny. Hi, Grandpa. Dummy. We need some bullets. And we need the auto photo. How do we get the auto photo? Let's go bullets. I wish I could be kind to the animal, but we don't have time for that. Our mommy is mad, and we need to get there. Please be a photo in here. Chat, it will be easy to find a photo, so please. No photo here. There's nothing down there. There's nothing down there. There is nothing. Please be a photo in here. Nothing. We have nothing. Wait, we haven't checked down in the boat, did we? We haven't checked them down. Let's go check. Let's go check if it's down there. This photo. Because sometimes photos go on everywhere. I stupid octopus. Let's not shoot. Cause I don't. Oh, okay, guys, that was terrifying. I am not going down there ever again. Chat, I'm not going in the boat. I don't know if the monster can eat me while boat key. I don't care. I'm not a captain. Am I a captain? No. Let's see. Let's see. No, nothing. Oh, I can't find nothing. Chat, we haven't checked here. We don't need no padlock. It's not for the helicopter. It's the boat or it's even for the boat or the. Chat, we haven't checked in that room. Go check, please. Please see if I know check. There's nothing. There's nothing in the doors. Okay. Oh, come on. There's no photo chat. Stop breathing, you dumb animal, before I shoot you. There it is. I found it. I found it. I'm so happy. Shut up. Who cares about you crying? Shut up. Oh shoot. No, you ain't. Grandpa, you're not here, right? Let's go. We need some bullets, chat. And I don't know if we can find any. There it is. Thank you. How did I do that? Grandpa, get out of here, you dummy. Yes! We can finally escape. Move out the way, you stupid before. Bye-bye. Before I go in the helicopter, you too, Grandma. No, do not. Do not disappear, because I love you. You know I love you. So we got the animal. Where's Slandrina? Slandrina was in the photo. No! Chat! I died and I almost escaped. Chat? No. No. I tried so hard on this. Bo. No. Hey. No. Hey. Do not. Are you serious? Chat. Okay. I'm gonna go get the others. Hold on. Let me go get the others. Okay, chat. We did it. I did everything. We died, but the second night, that was easy. I just killed Granny and Grandpa. It's gonna be easy. Well, I think they're like 1 minute. So let's see. Okay, one more item. I think they're dead, huh? Let's go, they're dead. Yes, cool. No one's here, no one's here. Okay, I feel like I just saw a rocket for us, hopefully it's what's in here? Wait, was that the thing when I... Chat, imagine opening the park there and just escape. Haha! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god, oh my god. Wow! Wow! I did it! I did it! The end. We did it. Alright, chat. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching.